Yeah, hello everyone. So today we'll start the motion graphics how we can create inside Cinema 4D. So let's see. Yeah, generally we do select or we do use this cloner first, right? So cloner, what it does simply it's make a clones. So once you take this, just get a image, sorry, objects, and objects can be any or from any other source you want to get. You can just get this and say size 20 by 20 by 20, right? Or just we want those like some fillet in the edge of this, right? So yes, now this is better. Okay. uh See, if I select this uh cube, just drag over this cloner, right? And once you drag over the cloner, it's create the instances, right? It's create the clones, and like clones you want with more objects, then what you have to do, simply go to here and increase the number of counts, right? So here you can see by default is 3, but I'll keep this to 10. And here I'm just again seeing the 10, but the problem is creating like huge gap between the objects. Simply get the size or the like specific gap from here you can maintain like this. Okay, so I've taken the 20 only. Okay, or like you can take any other amount, but I'm saying only the 20 right now. Yes, so now it's become a proper uh, like planar surface with the cubic. And if you go here now and just disable this, it will look like a planar cube surface. Okay, and if I'm just enabling this again, so it's like look like a surface with different gaps or the objects, right? So go to here again in the cloner, right? And from here, here I've increased the count, and we maintain the distance between the objects. And actually here you find different modes. uh, just click over here, get grid array, right? And if you say the linear one, okay, so now it's make in the like y-axis only. And you would like to change uh, the axis or whatever, okay, from here you can decide. So now it is in, by default I'm getting here the transformation in this, okay. And this is the object area. From here I'm just going to increase the counts like this, right? Again this is the position. If I say 0, it means in the same place it's created lots of clones. But here if I'm saying the position, only the 20 pixel, 20 centimeter, right? So now you can see the gaps. And if I'm increasing, it's creating automatically one by one, step by step. You can see these are the clones, right? Or like offset, you want to animate like this way, you can, huh? So today I'm not going to show you the animation, but from here you can change the attributes like this way. Or like position, if you are using in y direction, if I'm saying y is to 0, and if I say this in the z axis, you can see like this way. So this is the linear form. Okay, from here you can change the modes, right? Or this is the radial, and from here you can set the radial values like this way. Or another thing is the radius, you can like increase like this way, right? Or this is the planar, you can say the axis you can set from which direction you want. So this is the thing, okay. So by default I'm getting here from here, and this is the like end angle, start angle. You can decide where to start and how it should start. So this is the way you can use, right? And like from here we can use the cloner effectors also. So once you get this option from here, right, this is the cloner and these are the effectors. So these effectors you want to get from the manually from the menu. From here just go to the menu bar, and from here just select the MoGraph menu, and from here you can select the effector. So like I would like to change again, so I go to here and I select the object and say grid array. Okay, once you select this, and already we have made a change over this cloner, right? So select this first cloner, and go to again here in the MoGraph and select effector. Okay, sorry, and from here I'm just using this option which is called the random, right? So this is the random effector, and once you select this and go to in the fall off area and create the linear field like this, and you would like to change the position of it, you can like go like this way. See, wow. Yes. So like any other thing you want to adjust, I want to create the random, but I want to adjust the parameters. Okay, so now it's behaving in the position only. Right now we want to change the scale of it. You can change. If I say uniform scale, and I would like to change it to, see, so now it's creating the random scale. Okay, like this. So once I want to like animate like this way, I can go this. Okay, so this is called uh, the cloner, right? But see, I want to go for the mode, but I want to select this one, object. How it's work, I'll show you. Simply get a object, right? Or you can import any other objects if you have, and over the objects you want to add these clones, right? You can use. So I'm selecting directly from here. So this is the platonic, and over this platonic I want to uh, assign all these elements over this like surface. So select the cloner. Okay, and select the object, right? Once you select the object, now you will find an option which is called this object, right? So here we have to attach this platonic object, drag and drop like this way. So now you can see you can change the cloner like this way, right? So this is called the object mode. From here you can decide, or like if you have a different uh, asset, like I want to import the asset from here. Okay, uh, footages, 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 right? And here I have 3D geometry surface. I select this. Okay, and you can increase the scale. I say 2, right? So this is the object unit. Already I changed, but just I want to scale again like this. Or here instead of this object, just I want to place or I want to clone over this object, right? So select this cloner and use this head and drag and drop over this, right? So now it's select automatically this object, and I'm just going to hide this now. Platonic. Now you can see, right? And inside the cloner, just change the number of counts like this way. You can use like this, right? So this is the planar, sorry, a random, and this random is going to work here. So I'll use like this way. Wow. Okay. So this is the way where you can do the transformation like this way. So this is called the cloner. Or I want to decrease the size of this, and here I want to keep it to 10. Now you can see, okay, and this random going to reanimate like this way. Wow. Okay guys, so this was the cloner, and just do practice so that you can work and you can understand how it's work. So thank you very much, and we will meet again in the next session. Bye bye.